guys, welcome to my channel Rap to Fab. How are you all? I guess all are doing great and are indoors most importantly. Last ईद भी हम सबने घर पे ही सेलिब्रेट किया था, ये ईद भी हम घर पे ही करने वाले हैं. बट डोंट वरी, डोंट लूज योर होप्स. अच्छे दिन आएंगे, जरूर आएंगे और वो तभी आएंगे जब आप सब अपने घरों पर बैठेंगे. So why not celebrate this Eid also with the same vibes with our family members and friends at our home. So I thought of creating this glam घर वाली ईद का look. I believe ये आप सबको अच्छा लगेगा और अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज थम्स अप देना, कमेंट करना और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले मेरे चैनल को. सो आज का लुक मैंने पूरा रमजान का जो थीम होता है डे टू नाइट, उस थीम के ऊपर ये लुक क्रिएट किया है. अगर आप नोटिस करो, सो इट्स ऑल्सो सनराइज देन सनसेट देन मिडनाइट ब्लू कलर. सो इट्स फ्रॉम द मॉर्निंग टिल द नाइट रूटीन आई हैव ट्राइड टू क्रिएट. सो आई होप आपको मेरे एफर्ट्स अच्छे लगे हो. तो अब चलते हैं जल्दी से अपने वीडियो की तरफ. So the next step is using a moisturizer. For that I'm using Pond's Light Moisturizer Non-Oily Fresh Feel for soft and glowing skin with vitamin E and glycerin. Now I'm going to use Indulgio Face Oil, which is 24K Rose Gold Oil, and this will give you a very glowy finish and also will create a very good base for your makeup. So now just to add some extra glow, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter, and all the product details along with the shades will be listed down in the description box, so do not forget to check that out. That's all, and now I'm just going to blend this out using my fingers. So now I'm just mixing both the foundation shade, 1 pump of medium and 1.5 pump of fair, and this is from Makeup Forever, Forever 52. So I'm just putting few dots with the help of my finger. Do not forget to apply it on your neck. And I'm just going to very quickly blend this out using a Dab Beauty sponge. So I'm done with my foundation. Moving on to concealer, I'm using same Forever 52 concealer, and if you want you can definitely build on to the coverage of the foundation, but I am keeping till here. It's looking quite dewy and natural. So next, moving on to the concealer. If you like the video, please then do not forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Just to highlight little more, I'm going to use another layer of concealer, which is from LA Girl, and I'm going to apply this basically on the same areas that I applied the Forever one. And I'm going to use the same on my eyelids. So next I'm going to use loose powder from Maybelline, and I'm going to bake for a minute. Until the baking is going on, I'm going to quickly fill my brows. So now I just combed my brows, and then I'm going to use this lighter brown shade to fill in my gaps. So now I've just filled my both the brows, and now I'm quickly going to dust off the powder. And I'm not going to use any extra powder, I'm just going to set this only in my entire face. I'm just going to use MAC Fix Plus to lock my makeup. So next, moving on to contouring, I'm going to use this Nykaa Color Corrector palette. I'm going to use this brown shade as my contouring shade. So I'm just going to take this on a concealer brush and apply it. The brush I'm using is from PAC 237. All the product details will be given in the description box. So I'm going to apply the same on my forehead, jawline and side of my nose. Now I'm using this sugar bronzer and just setting my cream contouring all over the face wherever I've applied the Nykaa color corrector. Next I'm going to apply blush, which is from Makeup Revolution again, and I'm going to mix this two nude and pink shade, dust off the excess and apply on my cheeks. I'm going to apply highlighter, which is the last part of our face makeup, and then we will move on to the eye makeup. I'm going to spray once more Fix Plus. Now before moving on to the eye makeup, just make sure that there are no harsh lines. If there it is, then use that same sponge and gently press it on your lids. So all the first I'm going to pick this shade, yellow shade from this palette, and apply it on my crease as a transition shade. Go in a circular motion to and fro. Okay, so now moving on to the next. Now for the next shade I'm going to use Miss Claire palette. I'm going to pick this shade right here. This is the darkest pink magenta kind of a shade, and I'm going to apply this on my outer V. So pretty, like sunrise and sunset. It's looking so nice. I'm completely in love with the eye look it's becoming. Okay, that's it. I'm going to keep it till here. I will do the other eye. Okay, let me know in the comment section how am I looking right now. I feel it's looking so gorgeous. Okay, moving on to the next shade from the same palette. I'm going to pick this yellow shimmery shade over here and pack this on my inner eyelid. Can you see the difference? It's looking so open up, and this one is yet closed. So let's do that one also. I'm going to use a smudge brush and apply the same this darker magenta shade on my lower lash line, but not all the way, just the center of the eyeball. And next again I'm going to use this glittery shade yellow, which we applied in this inner eye corner. Again I'm going to use this, and I'm going to place this on my inner eye corner, lower lash line. Wow. So for the last product of the eyes, I'm going to use this kajal from Sugar, which is in the shade blue, True Blue. I will link down. Do not forget to check the description box. Okay, so I'm going to create a very small blue line, eyeliner as eyeliner. So I'm just going to smudge the outer side, not towards the inside. I'm just going to create a very small wing with the smudge. Okay, I will do the other eye, and okay, so now lastly I'm going to pick the shimmery blue shade right here and pop this in the center of my eyeliner. Right now it's looking like this. I'm just going to add a little spark on the center, and I'm just going to pat this. So with this, my full eye look is done. It's just time to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. Pump, pump, pump. Can you see that? It's from Vega, by the way. So next I'm going to use this mascara, which is from Maybelline Hypercurl Mascara. So I just applied mascara, and I wanted to apply falsies too, but I don't know where I've kept them. So lastly, moving on to the lips, for that I'm going to use this lip liner, which is from NY Bay, and it's the nude shade, and I'm going to line my lips with this. Okay, so I'm going to fill my entire lips using the same liner. I'm letting this shade. So here is the entire
मकतूल जिगर आतिल है नजर एक माह जबी एक नूर नगी रब की रुबाई क्या है तबाही